Credo Technology is up about 50% in 1 month. Is this a great opportunity or a potential trap? In this video, break down what can potentially happen to your money if you invest in this stock. There are 5 things I'll talk about. Number 1, how does Credo make money? Number 2, who are their clients? Number 3, what's the latest news on this stock? Number 4, what are the ratings in Tykr? And number 5, where can this stock go from here? If you don't know me, I'm Tepper, the founder and CEO of Tykr, which is a platform that helps people buy and sell stocks with confidence. Today, we have over 13,000 customers in over 50 countries. Good news, you can join Tykr for free. Simply go to Tykr.com and then over to Start Free Trial. All right, let's get to it. First point, what does Credo do? In other words, how do they make money? Think of Credo as a high-speed plumbing company for data centers. What do I mean by that? When companies like Microsoft and Meta build AI supercomputers, they're moving large amounts of data between the chips and between the servers. Credo makes the hardware to make those connections possible. Number 2, who are their clients? They work with Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, and Google. Those 4 companies account for the majority of their revenue. All right, moving on to point number 3 is what's the latest news? Here's some really important highlights. So their revenue increased by 200% year over year. Their latest EPS, and that's the number 1 most important line on the financial statements, EPS, earnings per share, essentially the profits of the company, that increased by 17%. And then they recently acquired a company called Photonics. And here's the problem solution of why they bought this company. Credo focuses on the connections. Well, the big problem is a lot of those connections are a lot of small, tiny pieces that takes a lot more time to manufacture, and there's a lot more margin of error. Well, with Photonics, their solution is instead of all those tiny little pieces, they manufacture one single silicon chip. Much more efficient, a lot less margin of error. Point number 4, let's look at the ratings in Tykr. So for context, if you haven't used Tykr, Tykr is driven by a traffic light rating system where stocks are either on sale, watch, or overpriced. Our calculations are all open source. If you're interested, when you join Tykr, you can see an article that talks about that. But in Tykr, get this, Credo is actually on sale, and only about 15% of stocks make it to on sale. So this is already one of the best of the best. Now, another rating I'll touch on here is the 4M confidence booster. There's the math part, which is the first M, and then there's the meaning, that's the business model. Then there's the moat, that's how the business compares to the competition. And then the last M is the management, that's the track record of the CEO. Well, if you can get an 80 or higher out of 100, that is really hard to do. And you can see Credo, overall, they're at an 82, very impressive. And then the last score I'll touch on is what we call the 7. This kind of rolls up all the scores in Tykr to an easy rating system between 0 and 7. And get this, if you get a 5, 6, or 7, you're pretty much in the top 1 or 2% of stocks in the market. And get this, out of the 50-some thousand stocks in Tykr, only about 30 or 35 make a perfect score of 7. Check this out. Credo is a 7 out of 7. Very hard to achieve. So this leads up to point 5, which is where this stock going from here. Well, I'll show you something. If you go to the financials tab and you go to the EPS, again, this is the number 1 most important line. As long as this EPS continues to increase, like you see here, and at the same time, they are beating their earnings estimates, like you see here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quarters in a row. This stock will most likely continue to increase. Their overall financials are fantastic. Everything's moving in the right direction. And again, that perfect score of a 7 out of 7 is very hard to achieve. So if people look at this stock and this is a meme stock that's going to be here, gone tomorrow, in my opinion, this stock has a lot of upside potential. So that's my analysis of Credo, but I'd love to hear what you have to say. Where do you think this share price will go in the next year? Now, like I said earlier, if you're interested in joining Tykr, you can join for free. Simply go to Tykr.com and then click on Start Free Trial. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And of course, don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you hear. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.